How to convert PDF file to JPG images. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily convert your PDF file to JPG images. So then the first thing what you need to do is simply head over to any of your browser and just search in for this ilovepdf.com. Here just click on convert PDF, and as you can see there is an option called PDF to JPG. So simply click on it. You can also convert JPG to PDF. So just select your PDF file which you want to be converted. So let me just select my PDF file. As this is my PDF file, I want it to be converted to the JPG. So you can choose any of the option. So I would prefer first one, simply because every page of this PDF will be converted into the JPG file. So just click on convert to JPG and now download the JPG images which has been successfully converted, and you can just view it by opening as a JPG format. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. So hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.